This is a virtual model of Ceres' biogas digester. The biogas digester is the future of waste processing. 40% of waste in the average rubbish bin is food waste, and it's all going to tips which pollute soils, water resources and create methane which contributes to climate change. The biogas digester not only diverts this waste away from tips, but also creates useful outputs from this otherwise wasted food. Those outputs could form the cornerstone of our future energy needs and return valuable nutrients to the soil. This whole process is very similar to how a cow's digestion works. This is the feeding tube for the biogas digester where waste goes. The food waste is first blended with water, then put down through the tube where it flows into the stomach. Most things that can rot can go into a biogas digester. This tank is the stomach of the biogas digester. Inside the tank is where the digestion of the waste occurs. This process is done by bacteria that like to live where there is no oxygen. These bacteria are called anaerobic bacteria. Therefore, this type of digestion is called anaerobic digestion. As the bacteria are living organisms, they also like to live in a warm environment. The range of temperature for the Ceres biogas digester is from 30 to 35 degrees Celsius. The stomach produces two outputs, methane and fertiliser. The yellow pipe leads to the gas storage bag. The gas produced is called methane, which is flammable. The methane can be used for cooking, or it can be put into a generator that produces electricity. Just 1 kilogram of waste can run a stove for an hour or a light bulb for 90 hours. This is the fertiliser storage tank. As new waste is added to the digester, it pushes some of the old waste out into this tank. However, as the waste moves through the digestion process, the bacteria turns it into fertiliser. This process takes about 40 days. So instead of thinking of the fertiliser storage tank as an excess waste container, it can be thought of as a tub full of plant food. A biogas digester is a wonderful thing. It takes in food waste and in return gives heat, electricity and continued life to plants. What isn't there to like?